Answers to Common English Questions, Part 9. Ang lesson na ito ay bahagi ng series of videos kung saan matututunan natin ang mga usual na tanong at sagot sa wikang Ingles. Nasa description tsaka sa comment section yung link sa playlist natin para mapanood nyo rin yung Part 1 to 7. Question: What university did you go to? Saang universidad ka nag-aral? Answer: I went to Adamson University in Manila. Nag-aral ako sa Adamson University sa Maynila. Could you loan me $100? Pwede mo ba akong pautangin ng $100? I'm afraid not. I'm broke. Naku, hindi pwede. Wala akong kapera-pera. What do you usually shop for? Ano ang madalas mong pinamimili? I usually shop for shoes and clothes. Madalas akong namimili ng mga sapatos at mga damit. What is he like? Anong klaseng tao siya? He's friendly and really intelligent. Palakaibigan siya at talagang matalino. Can you repeat that, please? Pwede bang pakiulit mo yon? Sure, no problem. Oo, walang problema. Is it raining? Umuulan ba? Yes, take an umbrella. Oo, magdala ka ng payong. What are you doing? Anong ginagawa mo? I'm doing the laundry. Naglalaba ako. Where's my comb? Nasaan ang suklay ko? I don't know. I don't have it. Ewan ko, wala sa akin. What do you do for a living? Anong trabaho mo? I work as an accountant. Nagtatrabaho ako bilang isang accountant. What did you want to be when you were a child? Anong gusto mong maging nung bata ka? I dreamt of becoming a pilot. Pinangarap kong maging isang piloto. Do you like it here? Gusto mo ba rito? Yes, I love it here. Oo, gustong-gusto ko rito. Have you ever tried Italian food? Nasubukan o natikman mo na ba ang pagkaing Italiano? Yes, at least once when I was in my friend's wedding party. Oo, isang beses nung nasa kasal ako ng kaibigan ko. Do you have any siblings? May mga kapatid ka ba? Yes, a brother and a sister. Oo, isang kapatid na lalaki at isang kapatid na babae. Do you play the piano? Nagpa-piano ka ba? No, I don't. I play the guitar. Hindi, nagigitara ako. Where are my keys? Nasaan ang mga susi ko? I don't know. They were on the table but they are not there now. Hindi ko alam. Nasa mesa mga yun kanina pero wala na ngayon. Do you have any money? May pera ka ba? Yes, there's some in my wallet. Oo, meron sa pitaka ko. When was the last time you went on vacation? Kailan ka huling nagbakasyon? Last year, I went to Rome. Noong isang taon, nagpunta ako sa Rome. Is it going to rain? Uulan ba? I hope not. Sana hindi. When should I pick you up? Kailan kita susunduin? Please pick me up at 5 p.m. Pakisundo mo ako ng alas 5 ng hapon. Are you coming with me? Sasama ka ba sa akin? No, I don't think so. I'm staying here. Sa tingin ko, hindi. Dito na lang ako. Do you often drink alcohol when you're eating out? Palagi ka bang umiinom ng alak kapag kumakain ka sa labas? No, not often. Only when there are parties with my friends. Hindi madalas kapag may mga party lang kasama ang mga kaibigan ko. Would you rather have milk or juice? Mas gusto mo bang uminom ng gatas o juice? Juice, please. Juice po. Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour? Mas gusto mo bang magbiyaheng mag-isa o sumali sa isang guided tour? I love backpacking with my friends who share the same interests as me. Mahilig akong mag-backpacking kasama ang mga kaibigan kong may mga kaparehong interes tulad ng sa akin. Can you change a $20 bill? Pwede mo bang palitan ng $20 na papel? I'm sorry I can't. Pasensya na, wala akong ipapalit dyan. Is there a flight to Seoul tonight? May biyahe ba papuntang Seoul mamayang gabi? There might be. Let me check. Baka meron, titingnan ko or i-check ko. Excuse me, do you work here? Excuse me, nagtatrabaho ka ba dito? Yes, can I help you? Oo, anong may tutulong ko sa'yo? Why are you angry? Bakit ka galit or bakit ka nagagalit? Because I missed my flight. Dahil na-miss ko ang flight ko. How often do you read books? Gaano ka kadalas magbasa ng libro? Almost every night before I go to bed. Halos gabi-gabi bago ako matulog. Have you read this book? Nabasa mo na ba ang librong to? Yes, I've read it twice. Oo, 2 beses ko nang nabasa yan. Should we have dinner at home? Sa bahay ba tayo maghahapunan? No, let's go to a restaurant. Hindi, mag-restaurant tayo. Do you like shopping? Mahilig ka bang mag-shopping? Yes, I'm a shopaholic. Oo, shopaholic ako eh. Is there a bus from downtown to the airport? May bus ba mula sa bayan papuntang airport? Yes, every 20 minutes. Oo, kada 20 minuto. Does Ben know that you're going away? Alam ba ni Ben na aalis ka or alam ba ni Ben na lalayo ka? No, I haven't told him yet. Hindi ko pa sinasabi sa kanya. Do you want to go to the party? Gusto mo bang pumunta sa party? No, I don't wanna go. Hindi, ayokong pumunta. Are you a welder? Welder ka ba? No, I'm a carpenter. Hindi, karpentero ako. How high is the fence? Gaano kataas ang bakod? It's about 8 feet high. Mga 8 talampakan kataas. Do you play any sports? Meron ka bang nilalarong sport? No, I used to swim every day though. Wala, pero dati akong nagsuswimming araw-araw. Where's Mary? Nasaan si Mary? She's taking a shower. Naliligo siya. Do you know what this is called? Alam mo ba kung anong tawag dito? It's called an air purifier. Air purifier ang tawag dyan. Do you have a driving license? May lisensya ka ba sa pagmamaneho? Yes, I do. I always keep it in my purse. Oo, laging nasa pitaka ko yon. Is it difficult to prepare for IELTS? Mahirap bang maghanda para sa IELTS? It's not if you practice well. You haven't met my elder brother, have you? Hindi mo pa nakikilala ang kuya ko, di ba? No, I haven't. Hindi pa. How far is it from here? Gaano ba kalayo yon mula rito? It's about 2 kilometers. Mga 2 kilometro. Are your parents at home? Nasa bahay ba ang mga magulang mo? No, they're out. Wala, nasa labas sila. Is Prince Matin Malaysian? Malaysian ba si Prince Matin? No, he's from Brunei. Hindi, taga Brunei siya. Is there a bus to the mall? May bus ba papunta sa mall? Yes, there is. Oo, meron. Were they at the meeting? Nasa meeting ba sila? No, they weren't. Wala. Are you thirsty? Nauuhaw ka ba? Yes, I am. Oo. Is it snowing? Nag-i-snow ba? No, it isn't. Hindi. Don't you want to watch a TV series? Ayaw mo bang manood ng TV series? No, I'd rather read a novel. Ayoko, mas gugustuhin ko pang magbasa ng nobela.